Good day, traders. This is Rick, the Futures Trading Coach. After market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is a Wednesday, October 2nd, and I'm going to run you through what we did here today, guys. Great day, great day. You have to be a little careful when the market's down 40, 50, 60, 70 ES points. Not too long after the open, but we slammed a nice short. The thing went for about 15 points. At that point, everybody said they were out. I'm going to run through everything here just from left to right really quick. We had 3 in the ES, 2 in the NASDAQ. In the NASDAQ, we had a long here. This was it was either a 10 or 11 ticker or a break even for people, depending on if they should have taken profits and moved their stop up. Some people don't, so they added and they got in, but we were able to, either way it was a scratch there, no matter which way you played it. We then had a death candle with delay, call it a DD trade, and that was that's an advanced understanding trade, a beautiful trade we had in the NASDAQ. I called that trade after the 1121 candle. Okay, you see this 1121 candle closed. Up here it came down as it was after this candle closed. He said when this comes down here, it's going to test the bottom, but it should fail and go back up. 62 quarter. Some people said they got 61.70. Anywhere in there, it doesn't matter. You can see it went all the way up, almost 50 ticks within 3 minutes. A beautiful trade. And again, we know we're fighting the trend, so we're not expecting 200 ticks to the upside. To the downside is a different story because we opened up down. So beautiful trade there. On the ES, we slammed a short on the ES 18 right at the bottom of that circle. You'll see there was zero heat. This was done on a sell stop. Everybody's going to get filled. That's the way we take the trades for people to make sure that they're in. And you'll see that this sucker just went down, down, down. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. At 15 points, most people said they were out. Not everybody talks in the room, so it's possible people were still in and they wrote it down. I said for a short-term reversal, I said I don't know if this thing's going all the way up, but we have an opportunity that we could get in if you're out. Okay, and you could make some money, and that was at 0275. The trade went up 2-3 points there. And again, we weren't expecting tons because 10 o'clock was coming in there, and we had to be in a free trade. This was 9:54. We had to kind of be in a free trade. Most people like to be flat before 10 o'clock when the bots and the algos and the news and all that comes out. So again, against the trend, weren't expecting a whole lot. I said if you're still short, stay short. If you had a runner, but because you're going to get retracements and things like that. But again, I'm not going to sit there and say everybody in the room got 50 points because the last person indicated to me they got out around here 13, 14, 15 points. Could be a lot more, as you can see with any reasonable trail. This thing just stair stuffed its way down. And then at the end of the morning, we hit a nice S play, a beautiful S play. We hit right at the end of the morning. Told everybody that at some point this thing was going to go up. Don't know, if it's going to be during lunch, after lunch, whenever, but we might have an opportunity for some longs. We hit long 87, 86, 75, 87. Again, trade made a couple points, closed out the room. That was it. And that's what we got. The bulk of our trades were this 50 ticker here. We got a couple 2-3 pointers here, and then this monster short here. No losing trades in the room. Check out our free trial, guys. www.futurestradingcoach.com. Let us know what you think. Come in. It's 10 days. There's no credit card required. Totally free. You ask questions. You learn how we recommend that you manage the trades in the room based on our calls and our expectations of the market. And we have fun. And if you're interested in following the call room on an ongoing basis, we offer a call room or we offer full mentorship if you want to learn this stuff. Again, there was more trades here, but shorting down 50, 60 points. I mean, it sounds great when you look at the chart after the fact, but after this first one, it was kind of like we're not really looking for shorts, and you'll see we didn't do any shorts for the room because I'd rather pick spots where we're going to get potential reversal, because even if it only reverses 3, 4, 5 points, when we're down 50, that's not a bad trade. instead of trying to short at the bottom, and anything can happen. So come in and check out what we do. Every day's a little different. The playbook's a little bit different depending on what kind of market we have. Is it a trending market? Is it a range bound market? Did we open up relatively flat? Did we open up down? Did we open, it all depends on what happens in the market dictates the price action and how, the volume and how we do. So come in and check us out. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Bye bye, traders.